Let's learn classes and objects in OOP, but first let's investigate how we got here. Before OOP, programming was mostly functional and procedural, step by step and heavy math, but real world problems aren't like that. So OOP language introduced classes and objects helping us model code like real life. It's always smart to relate your code to real life scenarios. Maybe with analogies and metaphor, we'll understand classes and object with election process in democracy, how it works. There are different groups of people, each with their own traits, features, and issues. They group with relevance or reason. Each group elects a representative who goes to the parliament and speaks for them. Even though people have different traits, they still share common features, so they all fall under the class people. Each group choose a representative and their job is to represent their group, raise issues, share ideas, and execute decisions in the parliament. Now imagine if every single person in a country went to the parliament to raise their issue. It would be chaos, right? Total mismanagement. That's why we group people and send a representative instead. It's systematic, organized, and creates a clear flow, just like objects in OOP. From a real-life perspective, a class is nothing but a group of related attributes and actions. Like a group of people, an object is nothing but a representative of that class, someone who refers back to their group and acts on its behalf. You can look at the class person with shared basic features. Then there's a class group which holds a list of persons because one group can have many people. In Parliament class, which contains many groups, from each group we create an object. Let's say the elected person who represents that group represents the class and executes. So you can see there is a list of members, and in each members there are different people because in real life scenario there are different people in a group, and that members are assigned to a group. And let's say this member is elected from their group, and it will represent reference their group. So and for the person class, you may have noticed a method like execute, which may not be useful for the normal person because the normal person do not need to go to the parliament, but it is useful for the representative. This will be the next topic of OOP called inheritance. We'll deep dive into this from the next topic, inheritance. Until then, this is about classes and objects. So that's how classes and objects work. It is nothing but a way to organize real world problems into structured, meaningful code. When we relate programming to everyday life, like people's group and representatives, it becomes simpler, more logical, and fun. Hope this analogy helped make OOP clear. Until then, bye bye.